welcome to Go Beyond Betty. Today we're gonna make my favorite cocktail. It takes a little bit of prep work ahead of time, maybe a day ahead to make the syrup. So let me show you how to make the syrup.
Combine equal parts water, sugar to about 2 cups of figs and about 24 inches of rosemary. Bring to a boil and then let simmer. Give it a little mash with the potato masher just to make sure all the goodness comes out of those figs and the rosemary. Take it off the heat, let it cool to room temperature, and then strain. Pour through a fine mesh sieve.
The next thing you have to make sure that you have is fresh lemon juice. If you're using smaller lemons, each lemon will give you 1 ounce. So 5 lemons will give you 5 ounces. I promise you, I've made it before with like half fresh and I ran out and so I did half of the stuff from the fridge. You notice it right away. It's not the same. And the next thing you need is a lovely little sprig of rosemary.
Get ones where you can get the top and get maybe about 6 inches. Don't get the stubby ones. They don't look as nice in a drink. Mommy's helper. Are you Mommy's helper?
I'd like to, they do say this is something fancy that people do. You slap it and it activates the oils. I don't like to have it sticking out like this because it's not comfortable to drink. So I kind of grab it from the middle and shove it down in there just so that you can definitely see it on the side of the glass and you know it's there. The next thing I like is a really nice ice ball. You probably could just serve these in a coupe glass. I just don't happen to have those, but I have these beautiful sphere balls. You could use a cube as well. All right, next thing we need, ice in a cocktail shaker. Loudness, that should be enough. All right, so it's equal parts lemon juice and the fig and rosemary syrup. So in here, I have already measured out 3 ounces. So I'm gonna put that in there. And we need 3 ounces of our syrup. And then of course we need booze. My dear friend and neighbor Dara loaned this to me, so I am making all of us drinks. We're gonna go sit in her garden for a minute. So if we used 3 ounces of the syrup and 3 ounces of the lemon juice, we need a total of 6 ounces of vodka. Since I'm making multiple, and if you're doing a batch, then it's just easier to just use a measuring device. Full to the brim. Let's hope I don't spill this all over. So I have a couple different cocktail shakers. I do like this. I just need to hold it well. We're locked in. And as they do on TV. Till you're tired. All right, now it's time to pour. Woo! I love that there's no dye or anything in this. That pink color is just from the outside of the figs. Ooh, Mama gets the extra. So there you have it, a delicious rosemary and fig sour. Delicious. Thank you for joining me at Go Beyond Betty, where you are taking whisks in the kitchen and coming up with cocktails. I pay $12 for that. Actually, I'd pay, if I was at a fancy Nancy place, I would pay $18 for that. And keep them coming. Right, big boy? Oh, son of a bitch. How'd that happen? Just a moment, please.
This is a tool of refinement.